you know. Oh man. No, espera. Man, look what happened to me here. Man, she captured me. Okay. Ya, está bien. And her friends are laughing at me. It's right here. No, hoy no. No tengo dinero. No tengo. Sí, próxima vez. Oh, you know. Mira mi amigo, habla con mi amigo. There's a girl with some crazy hair here, man. I swear I'm gonna talk to her. If I lose the battle, I'll lose. See the hair right there? The slim girl. Hey girl, I like your hair. Can I have your number?
She's
like
beautiful.
on
My number? Oh my God, what you?
Do you have?
All I need is you, baby.
Welcome to Colombia.
All I need is you, baby.
this video, I'll be telling you mistakes guys make while coming to Medellin, Colombia. My name is Marwa, and if it's your first time to this YouTube channel, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the videos, and even before I finish talking, please smash that like button the way you smash your car, or hit it hard like.
Her body, her hair, I love that.
Man, they're so cute, guys. I don't know the way you. Okay. So in this video, I'll be telling you mistakes that guys make while coming to Medellin, Colombia. Mistake number one is bringing your girl over. Let's say you're from Canada. I'm just using Canada as an example. So you say, man, I'm going to Medellin, Colombia, and you decide, oh man, it's time I took Nancy with me. It's time I took my girl with me. Then when you come down here in Medellin, Colombia, you see too many beautiful girls, left, right, center, I don't know where, south, east. You'll be like, Then every time your head will be like, and in a few minutes, you and your girl will be like fighting and doing some crazy breakup and be like, you know, going their own way. That is mistake number one. So if you're coming to Medellin, Colombia, you have to make your decision. If you're coming here to explore and to see the city and you're a young guy, you're really not serious with your relationship, you're not committed, please don't bring your girl down here. Just come alone to experience things on your own.
Been to one before? At 4 p.m.? I mean 4 a.m.
No, how does that work?
I don't know. The club closes, but they still have a party in there.
Oh!
So I'm gonna go eat and come back at 3:30.
Okay, yeah. From Venezuela.
Yes.
I can just tell her, you know what? Don't work there anymore. Let's go. You think it's a joke?
No. I know. I believe you.
Number two is people come to Medellin, Colombia with a lot of pressure, like they want to get a girl right now, and take her home. People have this Latin American or a Latina dream of type of girl, and all the time what they want to do is they want to travel to Medellin, Colombia and push themselves so hard, pressure themselves so hard to be like, man, you know, I'm going to Colombia. I hope when I leave Medellin, Colombia, I'll get a girl. Wrong, that's an X. People don't do that. What you have to do is come here, learn the culture, learn how people talk, learn association, learn everything, and with time you'll get a girl. It can take you, let's say, I'll give you minimum if you're really a sharpshooter. Sharpshooter by my own definition is a girl who is very sharp to talk to girls, a guy who is very, very good in his tongue. I mean, a guy who is very, very, very with girls, very good with girls. One here, man. Let me see the photo you took, so that I can be eating the photo meanwhile.
Wow. What a body.
The girl?
Yeah, the curly hair.
Hey, yeah, man, she was so good.
You know, me, I'm a sharpshooter. I don't waste time.
Oh, you know.
I don't waste time.
I know that.
1 month, you can get really a stable relationship with no pressures. But I would give myself 3 months. 3 months is a very good period to get to know somebody, to get to know characters of people, to get to know how they behave under distress, to get to know when they behave when they're feeling happy, to get to understand if they appreciate small things in life like you do, or to get to understand just like, how is it like for this guy, maybe for this girl, me and her, how will it be like for future times in terms of maybe their character, what they like, their decisions in life. Maybe this girl does not want to have kids and things like that. So 3 months is really good. 3 months in Medellin, Colombia can really create a huge difference. And another thing I want to tell you is another big mistake is people come down here and they go looking for beautiful girls in wrong places. Actually, here I should tell you, like, there are too many beautiful girls everywhere, like everywhere. I mean, your neighbor could be so beautiful. Man, it's like everywhere. The girl upstairs, or it's like boom. Even me, it's confusing me now, you know. But the biggest mistake is when people come here, they go to Paquejeras, which is a very famous park, to look for a girlfriend. And there, the problem is when they go there, they find working girls. And now, maybe it's your first time in Colombia and you meet this beautiful girl in a park. You try to say, hello, what's up? My name is this and this. I want to get to know you. And you find this girl telling you, oh, you know, I need money from you. I need this. You'll be like, oh, so Colombian girls always asking me for money. It's you who is in the wrong place. You're in the correct country, but in the wrong place at the right time. Yeah. So you go to party, for example, but you go to wrong parts. And you see these cute girls walking with their clothes they're not covering their body so hard, and you'll be like, hey, that girl is so hot, man. I want to have her as my girlfriend.
This is Paquejeras, Medellin, Colombia. Crazy, man. Yeah.
Or another mistake is you get the same girl. Let's say you the first day you got this girl and you take her to your home, and from there you expect like she will change her life and be yours and be yours and be yours. And you met her in the streets. Man, it's so hard to change her. The only way you can change her is to take her to a different country and a very different environment, and when she's pregnant. But as long as she's here, she's staying in her own house, she's doing her own things, she'll be telling you she's sick, and man, she's with somebody else. So that's another big mistake. People come here, they fell in love with wrong people. They fell in love with street girls, and that's really bad. I don't know which mistake we are, but I'm still giving you more mistakes. Is ensure if you are looking for a girl, don't go to these parks, especially Paquejeras. Paquejeras is so popular, man. It's so popular, like it's... Demasiado, that's how they say, like super, demasiado is super popular. And people go there because they want to find girls there. So another problem which already said in my other video is, even if a girl is not working, she's a very nice girl, you met a very nice girl there, a very normal girl. A normal girl to me is a girl who does not need any money in favors of sexual exchange, you know, from you. So if you meet a normal girl there, and you try to talk to her, she will not listen to you because she may think you've confused her with a working girl. So when you say hola, she'll be like, you know, because there's a very thin line between working girls and normal girls because they look similar, the same. But you can easily tell like a working girl. A working girl is always like looking here and there. Her head is always like, and anytime you pass, she's looking at you like, or even sometimes they may walk and hit you up, like, you know, you're walking in the street and you hear her hitting you up, you know, like, come. You know, like you seeing a girl coming and you're just going and you want to pass and all of a sudden you feel like, boom, she's hitting you up. That's a working girl. It's not a mistake. It's not a mistake her hitting her or she didn't see you good. No, she saw you. She's trying to put you in the bait. She's trying to put you, you know, to fail for her. So that's another big mistake. People tend to go to look for beautiful girls or for a wife material or for a potential girlfriend in wrong places. So when you go there, even if you meet this nice girl who is not working very nice, the moment you try to talk to her, she'll be like, I think this guy confused me with a girl who wants money for. Yeah. So you are in the right place but looking for the right person in the wrong place. You're in the right place, yes, Vaquejeras is a very nice place. Looking for the right person, that's a girlfriend or a wife, but in a wrong place. So where do you meet these girls? Try to go to La 70.
Thank you, man.
Hacemos una pausa y la regresamos. Muchas gracias.
So today is Saturday night. I'm in La 70. That's the 70th Street. A lot of parties happening here, and I'm reporting live from Medellin, Colombia. The most beautiful city. I like, you know, I just like to be here. So this place is more of a family, food, party, or just chilling, not dancing. Yeah, it's more of a calm area where everybody can fit. But El Poblado, that place nowadays is so different, you know. It's quite different now. Nowadays it's more of working girls, too many. There are clubs there, but you know, it's more of working girls. Here it's different, you know. Here it's quite different. Let me show you the streets.
Or you try to go to parks, events, meet them in the streets. Like, I don't mean in the streets at night, but I mean like during the day. You see a girl walking by and say, hey, excuse me. You can even use the vibe, I'm lost, can you help me, because you're a foreigner. They will listen to you, okay?
Some more trouble while I'm here.
Oh, okay, man.
I'm gonna send you another message. Right?
Okay.
Take a picture of you.
Okay.
Yeah, those are the biggest mistakes I've found. A lot of guys are messing up around here by crying, saying, oh man, I can't find a wife, oh, Colombian guys are like this, are like, no, it's you who is the problem. Yes. So I think I'll end this video here, man. If you liked my video, please give it a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. More videos coming. This is just part 2. Please ensure you watch part 1. In part 3, more videos coming. Just subscribe. Press that bell notification. You know, the bell notification is so important because a lot of you are missing my videos because you've not pressed the bell notification. And man, it will be a pleasure if you share my videos to at least 5 of your friends, because man, we want to go to 100,000 subscribers and I need you and your support. For now, man, I want to say bye. Look here. Yeah, some girl wrote my name here, okay? Yeah, if you reach that stage, boy, know you're doing good. When a girl writes your name on the wall, public wall. Yeah, bye bye, and I'll see you in my next one. Love you.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia.